Last resort living, making a mini croissant platter. It's perfect for when you have family or even play dates and sleepovers. And I'm serving it with a side of fresh fruits. I am making breakfast and I decided to put a small platter together. I had mini croissants, so I thought I'd just be nice to everyone in the family and create croissants filled with, well, different things like fig jam, peanut butter, honey, cream cheese, scrambled eggs, and slices of fruits to go with it to make it healthy and delicious. All right, I am scrambling a couple of eggs. So, silver. Should be enough for one croissant. They're pretty small. So some salt in there and pepper. Okay, I'm going to start with my peanut butter croissant. This croissant is so cute. One of those breakfast breads that I love to have around the house, but since I know I will be eating it all day long, I rarely buy them. I know myself way too well. Just, watching the calories, because I know the reason why they're so buttery and flaky and delicious, because there is a ton of butter in these. So just a couple of croissants a week would be plenty. And I have never made it because there is no way I can put all that butter in something and serve it. Usually one stick of butter is my limit. Well, I have done two for some bread and cookies, especially chocolate chip cookies. Take a lot of butter. That would be my peanut butter and honey croissant. I am going to make on with cream cheese and fig jam. My favorite jam is the fig. It's really really delicious with everything. You can have it in a cheese platter or veggie platter. It's something you can have on a piece of toast on the side of your salad. It just tastes really good. I'm gonna get another knife. Maybe I guess. And as far as fruits, I will have some fruits on the side. And this is chunks of figs. And some smooshed up too. Great, that's my second one. Okay, I will make the next one with scrambled eggs. And you can always cut them in half and have everyone share some. So I am all into sharing. So I get to try a lot of things instead of one thing. Beautiful scrambled eggs. It's just right. It's not too runny or too solid. Beautiful. Sometimes I drizzle honey, which freaks everyone, but today I'm just going to keep it a scrambled egg, plain by itself. Okay, I'm going to make another one. With cream cheese and strawberries. This is just a regular cream cheese. Cream cheese bagels, cream cheese with croissants. Oh, just so delicious. And for fruits, I have berries and some fresh pineapple and blood oranges. Slices of blood orange. This is a huge knife for this, isn't it? I just don't want to fill up the dishwasher again. It's working. Very good. Ah, I love fresh fruits in sandwiches. It's so yummy. Okay, we have breakfast. I made one more scrambled egg croissant. So we have mini croissants with scrambled eggs, cream cheese and strawberries, and cream cheese with fig jam and peanut butter and honey. And of course you can make it any other form and combination that you like. Some fresh fruits. There, breakfast. Try one. Have scrambled eggs and some fruits. Still warm. Really good. Love croissant sandwiches. And strawberries. Absolutely favorite. Really good. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again.